Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a closer look at the JBL Flip 6, one of the most popular portable Bluetooth speakers on the market right now. I've had some time to test it out and I'm quite impressed. So let me tell you a bit more. The unboxing is a nice experience. The speaker comes in an elegant box with bits of key information about the speaker. You get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and some paperwork along with the speaker. The Flip 6 keeps the classic cylindrical shape JBL is known for, but it's got a more modern, rugged twist to it. It's compact, lightweight, and comes in a variety of bold colors to suit your style. Plus, with its IP67 rating, the speaker is both waterproof and dustproof, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, beach days, or even those accidental spills at home. Functionality wise, the Flip 6 uses Bluetooth 5.1, which ensures a super stable connection and quick pairing. One of its standout features is JBL PartyBoost, which lets you pair multiple JBL speakers together for an even bigger sound. This is great for things like hosting events or parties at home. Flip 6 comes with a two-way speaker system, a woofer that delivers a punchy bass, and a separate tweeter for crystal clear highs. The result is a balanced, powerful sound that fills the room or your outdoor space with ease. Let's take a quick listen. It doesn't disappoint when it comes to battery life either. JBL advertises 12 hours of playtime on a single charge, but I was getting an average of 15 hours from my tests. This is great for adventure days or long training sessions so you can listen without interruptions. The Flip 6 is priced at around $130 and roughly £120 in the UK. For this price, you're getting solid build quality, great sound and portability. It's fantastic value for money. So, is the JBL Flip 6 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you need a durable speaker for outdoors, a portable option for traveling, or just a reliable everyday speaker, the Flip 6 ticks all the boxes. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Flip 6, or if you have any alternative recommendations, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.